Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to start a new topic, that is decimals. So when we are talking about decimals, there are so many things which we are going to use here, just like addition, subtraction, mathematical operations, and after that we are having some real life problems also. And you have seen this decimal part in our day-to-day life, just like in MRP prices of a particular object, or when you are going to a shop, then you have seen so many things. There are so many numbers written. And when we talk about the amount, rupees, or quantities, then we use the decimal part. Just like in measuring weights, we use 2.3 something kg. So decimal is an important part, so we have to practice it and learn it properly. So let's start our topic. Okay students, so we are going to have some, okay, so we are going to have some topics here. So the first one is introduction part, the place value, order relation in decimal fractions, equivalent decimal fractions, addition of decimal fractions, subtraction of decimal fractions, use of decimal notation in money, as we talked about earlier. And here we are having addition, subtraction of money. Okay, let's see what we are having next. Okay, there is a picture, so leave it this part. So come to our introduction. Okay, here we are having introduction. When we talk about 10th part, so this is 1 by 10th or 1/10. So this shows that out of total 10 parts, we are talking about one part, and we use it as a fraction, that is 1 by 10. If we talk about decimal, then we will use 0.1. Okay. If we are talking about 4 parts out of 10, then we can write this just like 4 by 10, or in decimal we can write it as 0.4 or 0.4. So this is our fractional form and this is our decimal form. Clear? Now come to our next topic. Okay, here we are having 1 out of 100 part, that is 1/100 of the whole. Clear? In decimal notation, it is written as 0.001. So when we are going to talk about the 100 part, so we will put 2 decimal places. And when we talk about 1000 part or 1 part out of 1000, then we will going to use 3 decimal places, just like 0.063. Clear? So this is the only method which we are going to use. So now we are having our next topic, that is place value chart. So here we are having ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousand place, and 10,000s place. Okay, so here we are having some units here, just like 1 tens equals to 10 ones, 100 equals to 10 tens, 1000 equals to 10 hundreds. So these kinds of places we are going to use here. Now come to next part. Okay, here we are having another part, that is ones. If we go on the right hand side in decimal place value chart system, then after ones we are having tens, then hundreds and thousands. This tens shows 0.1 or 0.1, which is 1 by 10th of fraction. If we talk about hundreds, this is 0.01 and this is 1 by 100. If we talk about thousands, this is 0.001, this is 1 by 1000. Let's see if we are having a decimal number and how we are going to place in decimal place value chart system. So the first one we are in 7.213. Okay, so if we talk about decimal part, so we count them just like separately numbers, just like 213. We can't read it just like 213. If we are having a whole number part, then we will count in a normal way. But for the decimal part, we will count it as 213. So here we are having ones, where we are having 7. At decimal, we are going to put on decimal point. Then we are having tens, the first place after decimal. and the second place after decimal is hundreds, and then we are having third place as a thousands. Clear? So this is our decimal place value chart system. So there is one more number here, that is this one. How we are going to write or read it? Just like 354.627. Clear? Okay, students, now we are having our exercise, that is 7A. We are going to solve one by one and explain it. Clear? So here we are having question number 1. Write the decimal numerals for each of the following. Let's pick this A part first. So here we are having 9 by 100. So here we are having 100 and this is a 100 place. So it represents two decimal places. How? We are going to write from right to left, just like 9, and then we are having one more number. We don't have any number, so we put 0 and then put a decimal, then 0. So if we convert 9 by 100 into decimal form, then according to zeros, we have to write the decimal places. So here we are having two zeros, so we are marking this point after two decimal places, just like 1 and 2 and this. So this is our final answer. Now let's take one more question from here, just like D part. Okay. So here we are having 65, 3 by 10 and 9 by 1000. So if we add them, so here we are in 65, then we are going to put decimal because this is a 10th place. After decimal, this is a 10th place, so it contains one decimal place value. So we are going to write 3. We don't have here 100 place, so we are going to put 0 here. At thousands place, we are having 9, so we are writing here 9. So our answer is 65.309. Clear? Okay. After that, we are having question number 2. Express each of the following as a common fraction. So we have to write in a fractional form. So let's pick this part, E part. Here we are having 0.758. So let's change it first in fractional form. So we are having 0.758. So this is a 3 decimal place number. So we are going to write, for removing this decimal, we are going to write 1. And there is 3 decimal places, so we are going to write 3 zeros here. Clear? After writing it, we have to solve it to the lowest form or standard form here. So I'm going to divide it by 2. So we are having here 3 to the 6, 7 to the 14 and 9 to the 18. And I'm going to divide 1000 by 2. So we are having 5 to the 10 and 2 zeros. So our fraction is 379 by 500. It is compulsory to solve in the lowest form. Okay. Now come to next part, that is question number F. Okay students, here we are having 3 decimal place value here. So we are going to write 0.025. For removing this decimal, I am going to write 1, and this is 3 decimal place number, so I am putting here 3 zeros. Clear? So after that, we are having fraction, that is 25 by 1000. Now we are going to solve this part. So I am going to divide both the numerators by 5. So we are having 5 and here we are having 200. I am going to divide both of them by 5. 5 on the 5, 5 for the 20 and 0. Here we are having 1 by 40 as a fraction. Okay, that is our answer. Next we are at question number 3. Write the following in words. So let's pick. Okay, we have chosen D part from here. So here we are having 713. Then we are having points, so I'm writing here point. Then we are having decimal parts number, so we are going to write 0. Okay, then we are having 1. Then we are having 2. So this is our answer. Here. Okay, now we are in question number 4. Write decimal numerals for each of the following. Let's pick B part here. We are in 500. So I'm going to write 500 first. Then we are having point. So I'm putting point 074. This is 074. So this is our answer. Clear? Okay. Yes, yes. Okay, students, now come to question number 5. Express each of the following in expanded form. Okay, let's pick I part from here. So here we are having 404 and then 0.404. So we are going to write in expanded form. So this is at 100 place. So we are going to write 400. Ignore the 0. Then we are going to write 4. And this is at 10th place. So we are writing 4 by 10. Then plus this at 100th place. This is 4 by 1000. Okay. So this is our expanded form. Clear? So now come to the next part. So here we are having find the sum of the place values of 4. Okay. So let's pick B part. So here we are having this 4. So the place value of this 4 is, this is tens, 100, thousands. So we are having 4 by 1000. Here. Next we are having this 4. This belongs to the ones place. So we are going to write this one as 4. And this 4 belongs to our 100th place. So we are going to write it by 4 by 100. Clear? Sorry. This is a 100 place, so we are going to write 400 here. Now we have to add them. So we are going to write just like 400 plus 4 plus 4 by 1000. So now we are having 404. Then this is a decimal part, so we are going to write point. And here we are having 3 decimal place numbers, so we are going to write 0, 0 and 4. Because we need 3 decimal places because of this 1000. Okay. Next is question number 7. Okay, next is question number 7. Write the place value of each digit in the following number. Okay, let's pick this one, E part. Okay, we are going to write the place values of all the digits here. This is at tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 place. So we are going to write here. This is 5 by 10,000. Okay, then we are having 0. This is 0. Here we are having 1. This is 1 by 100 place. This is 7 at 10th place. And here we are having 4. This is at 1's place. Okay, so this is done. Next we are at question number 7 is done. Then come to question number 8. Question number 8 is write in decimal form. So here we are having C part, that is 4 point. This is 1000 place. This is at tens place. That is 203. So this is a decimal form. Okay, now let's see G part also. Here we are having 8006 tenths, and this is 2 tenths and 5 thousandths. So these two are the decimal parts and these two are whole number parts. So we can say that 8000 is and 6 tenths. So this is 8000, 0 hundreds, 6 tenths and 0 ones. Then we are having decimal parts, then put a decimal here. So we are having 2 tenths, 0 hundreds and 5 thousandths. Clear? Okay, this is done. Okay, students, now we are having our next topic, that is order relation in decimal fractions. Okay, students, so now we are having order relation in decimal fractions. So order means which one is greater, which one is smaller. The first thing, you have to compare the digits of the number, that the whole numbers. Then we will compare the places one by one from left to right. Okay, so here we are having 7251. Here we are having 3521. So these are 4-digit numbers. So we are going to compare the first place, which is 7 is greater. So this number is the greater one. Clear? So we are going to mark all these numbers in this way. And if we are having decimal part, so we will compare the decimal numbers after completing the whole numbers. So which one is greater? Then we will mark it the greater side. Okay, equivalent decimal fractions. Okay, next topic we are having equivalent decimal fractions. This means that we are going to mark all the decimal fractions into different numbers. Just like we are having 7 by 10, 70 by 100 and 700 by 1000. If we solve them, we will have the same answers. So that's why they are called decimal fractions and which are equivalent. Clear? So here we are having 0.25, that is 0.250, 0.2500, 0.25000. So these are equivalent decimals because they are having same value after solving all the parts. Clear? Okay, here we are having exercise 7b. So here we are having question number 1, fill in the blanks by using greater than less than sign. So for this open side we are using the greater number, for this closed side we are using the smaller number. Here. So let's compare here. Let's pick D part. So here we are having whole number, that is 0 on both the sides. Then we are going to compare the places. Just like this is 4 and this is 3. Which one is greater? This one. If we are talking about whole numbers, then we check these digits. But in decimal part, we don't have to check the digits. We just have to check the places only. Clear? So let's make one more question. Just like this one, E part. So here we are having whole number is 0, then decimal, then we are having 3, and here we are having 8. So after that, we will leave it because we can compare these two decimal parts. So here we are having the greater numbers. Clear? Next come to question number 2. Find the greatest and the smallest number. So here we are having C part for largest number. So we are having 3. Okay. So this is 0 0.35, 3.5, 3.05 and 35.05. This one is the largest one. So we are having the greatest whole number. So this is our largest, and the smallest we are having 0. So here we are going to write 0.35. Clear? Okay. Next come to question number 3. Arrange the following in ascending order. If we see here, Okay, let's pick one question. Let's see question number 3B part. Okay, here we are having some decimal numbers. So in ascending order, we are going to arrange the numbers from smallest to largest number. Okay, so we are into the smaller than bigger, 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 and that's in a same way. And we will end this series in the largest form, or we can see with that we can end this series at largest number. So we are going to find the smallest one the first. So we are having 2.304. Okay, this is our smallest number. So after that we are having this one is done. So we are having 2.403. Okay, after that we are having 3. Okay, this one is here 3.204. After that we are having 3.402. After that we are having 4.032, and after that we are having 4.320. Clear? So this is our ascending order. Okay, now we are having question number 4. Arrange the following in descending order. If we talk about descending order, let's pick B part of this part 2. Here the series in reverse form of ascending order. We are going to start from the largest number to the smallest number. So we are going to write the largest number first, then smaller, 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 and we will end it at smallest number. So here we are having the largest number is 7.1. No. We are going to write 9.137. After that we are having next smaller number is 777. So after point we are having 911. So this is the next number, that is 7.913. So after that we are having 7.193. After that we are having 7.139. Okay, after that we are having 1.973. After that we are having 1.739. So this is our sequence from largest to smallest. Okay, here we are having next topic, that is addition of decimal fractions. So we are going to write from here, that is 0.5, 0.2, and after that we are having 0.7. So in addition part we are going to move forward, and in subtraction part we are going to move backward. So let's see what we are having next. Okay, now we are having our addition part. Okay students, now we are going to start our new exercise, that is 7C, of addition of decimals. Let's see what we are having here. So we are going to select one part, that is this one, E part. So we are going to add the whole numbers in whole numbers and decimal part in decimal part. So here we are having 8 plus 6, that is 14, 4, carry 1. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, this is 9. Then decimal should be below decimal. And 7 plus 5, that is 12. So you have to just add in this way. Okay, next. We are in question number 2, arranging columns and add. So here we are having C part. So here we are having 0.56, 1.65. So we are writing decimal below decimal, and the rest part is the whole number on the left side and the decimal part on the right side. Okay, so here we are having 22.79. So we are putting here decimal first. Then we are writing here whole number and here decimal part. After that, we are in 75.05. So we are putting decimal here, then 75 and then 05. You also have to write in the same manner. If you don't, then sometimes you make a mistake of the places. Clear? So now we are going to add them. So here we are having that is 9 plus 6 is 15 plus 10, 25. This is 5, carry 2. So here we are having, this is 7 to the 14, 14 and 6, 20. So 0 here, then decimal, then we are going to carry 2. So now we will add 5 plus 2, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 0, carry 1. 7, 8, 9, this is 10. So we are having 100.05. Clear? Now we are going to solve our question number 3 at the following using expanded form. Okay, let's pick B part. In expanded form, we are having 0.7 and this, so we are going to write 7 by 10 plus 9 by 10. Now we are going to solve. That is 10, 7 plus 9, that is 16 by 10. So here we are having 1.6 as answer. Clear? So after that we are in question number 4. This is C part. Evaluate the following. So we are going to simply add them. So here we are having 1.5. This is 5.11. So we are having here 15.22. Then 20.01. I think you all have noticed that I am putting decimal below decimal. So that's why we are having a proper sequence of numbers. So I put at the 100 place 0. So 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, this is 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, this is 8. Now we are having decimal. This is 10 plus 1, 11. Carry 1. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1. This is 4. Okay? Okay, right. Now come to our next part. So here we are having subtraction of decimal fractions. So we have noticed if we are doing a subtraction part, then we will have to move backward from here just like this. Clear? So, okay, now let's see what we are having next. Okay, nothing else. So we are going to solve our next exercise, that is 7D. Let's pick question number 1, A part. Here we are going to subtract. So we have to subtract same places. That's it. If we are going to subtract 1's place from 1's, then 10th place from 10, then 100 place from 100. So we don't have to change the places. Okay, so we have to take care of this part. So now we are having 10th place. This is a 10th place. So 8 minus 4, we are having 4. Then decimal, this is 0. Clear? Okay, next we are having question number 2. So we have find the difference. So let's pick E part. So here we are having 92.23 and 75.38. So now let's ice them first. Decimal should be below the decimal, and here we are having 75 as a whole number, 38 as a decimal part. Clear? Now subtract. So, okay. Okay, let's subtract 3 minus 8, not possible. We have to take carry from here. Here we are having 13. 13 minus 8, we are having 5. 1 minus not possible. This is 1 and this is 11. 11 minus 3, that is 8. and decimal, this is again. So we will carry from here, we are having 8 and here we are having 11 minus 5. This is 6, 8 minus 7 is 1. Clear? So this is 16.85. Now we are having question number, let's pick fifth part from here. So here we are having subtract the sum of this and this from this. So first we are going to find out the sum of these two numbers, that is 35.66 and 63.77. Let's add them. So this is 13, 14, carry 1, this is 9, decimal here, this is 9. So now we are going to subtract from 150. So we are going to do our subtraction part. So here we are having 150 now? Yes. So here we are having 150 and then we are going to subtract 99 point. Let's put a point in after 150. We are going to put double zero here and here we are in 43. Now we are going to subtract these two numbers. So here we are having 0. So we are going to carry from here, this is 4. Okay, here we are having 4, then we have to pass it here, then 10, this will become 9, then here we are having 10, then again 1 will be borrowed from here, then we are having 10. 10 minus 3 we are having 7, 9 minus 4 we are having 5, 9 minus 9 we are having 0, and this is 4, and this is 0, and this is 40. 40 minus 9 we are having 5. Clear? So here we are in 50.57. So we have done this part. Okay, here we are having use of decimal notations. Okay, here we are having use of decimal notations in money. Okay, let's see. That is 1 paise is 1 p equals to 0.01 because 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. So if we change that notation just like 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. If we talk about 1 paise equals to how many rupees? That is 1 by 100 rupees. Clear? So in this way we are going to change all the parts and this will equals to rupees 0.01. So if we talk about 5 paise, this will become 0.05. If we talk about 25 paise, and this will become 0.25 rupees. Clear? So now okay, now we are having our exercise, that is one converting to rupees using decimal notations. So let's pick this one. Okay, here we are having 7034 paise. So we all know that 1 paisa equals to 1 by 100 rupees. So here we are in 7034 paisa will equal to 7034 by 100 rupees. So here we are having 2 zeros. So we are going to place decimal after 2 digits from the right to left. So here we are having 70.34 rupees. Okay, now come to question number 2. Here we are having convert into paise. Let's pick this one. Here we are having 40 rupees in 4 paise. So we all know that 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. This will equals to, that is 40.04 equals to 100 into 40.04. Okay. Now we are going to remove this decimal and we will put here 1 and 2 decimals places here. So we are going to write 2 zeros. So this 100 is This 100 is cancelled out by this 100. So here we are having 40.04. Sorry. Okay, this 100 is cancelled out by this 100. So we are having 40 and this is this 4004 paise. Clear? Okay, now come to next part. So let's pick one more question from here. Of what problem type question? Here we are having the cost of mathematics books is this and the cost of science books is rupees 25. What is the total cost of both the books? Okay. So let's see. This is cost of mathematics book equals to rupees. This is 32 rupees and 50 paise. Okay. Then we are having cost of science book. So we are going to write that is cost of science book. So this is rupees 25. Clear? Now we are going to find out total cost of both the books. So we are going to write here that is total cost of books. Clear? If we are going to add these parts, so here we are having 50 point, this is 7 and this is 37. So here we are having 37.50 rupees. Okay, now move to next topic. Okay, here we are having addition, subtraction of money, which we are going to solve through the questions. So there is no different thing. So the first is okay. Now we are having our exercise 7F. Here we are having question number 1, that is addition. So here we are having B part, so we are going to solve this part. So this is our rupees part and this is our paise part. So 4 plus 1, 10 and this is 13, 3. Carry 1, this is 10, 4, 14. And decimal again carry 1. This is 8 to 16 plus 1, 17. So we are having 17 rupees and 43 paise. Clear? After that we are having question number 2, that is our subtraction part. So let's choose F part here. We are having 3 minus 5 not possible. We have to take carry from here. So we are having here 13. Okay, let's take it outside. Let's do this question first. Okay, here we are having our question. So here we are having 13. So we have to carry from here. We are having 13 here. So 13 minus 5, that is 8. Here we are having 7 and this is 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. 7 minus 9 not possible. This is done. So we are in 6. And here we are having 9 and here we are having 17. 17 minus 9 we are having 8. 9 minus 5 this is 4. And 6 minus 2 again we are having 4. So we are having 448.68. So this is, I think, rupees part or not? Yes. Okay, you all know how to arrange them and then solve them, but after that we are going to take one part from here. So we will take E part from question number 3. So here we are having 73.37 rupees. So let's arrange them first. This is 73.37. Then again 1101.57. Then again we are going to solve 62.35. Okay, now we are going to add them. That is at the 14 plus 5, there is a 19, carry 1, 9, 10, and 903, that is 12, carry 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 plus 6 is 13, 3, carry 1, 3 plus 2, 1 plus 1, this is 2. So here we are having 237.29. Clear? Okay, now we are having question number 4, that is a subtraction. So we will pick C part from here. So here we are having this part. So we have to subtract from this to this and now subtract. So I'm going to write first this number, that is 187 rupees and 60 paise. And after that I'm going to write this first one, that is 122 rupees and 86 paise. So let's subtract them. So here we are having 0 minus, that is not possible. So here we are having 5. Okay, so here we are having 10 minus 6 is 4, 5 minus not possible. Where 7, this is 15, 15 minus 8 is 7, 7 minus 2 we are having 5, 7 minus 2 we are having 5 again, and this is 0. We are having 55 rupees and 74 paise. Okay. Now let's pick one word problem type question. Let's pick this part. All the question. Sorry. Let's pick this part. So here we are having a man earned rupees 145 rupees 2 in one day, and out of this his earnings he spent 42 rupees 75 paise on food, 56 rupees and 35 paise on stationery, and on traveling that is 26.30. How much did he save? Okay, let's find out total savings, total expenses first. So okay, this is money spent on food. That is rupees 42.75. Okay, then we are having stationery. So here we are having money spent on stationery. Okay, so here we are having rupees 56.35. Then money spent on traveling. That is 26.30. Now we are going to find out the total spendings. So now we are going to add them, that is 0, carry 1, 10. This is 14, 4, carry 1. So this is 6 to 12, 13, 14. This is 15, carry 1, 4, 5, 10. This is 12. So total spendings are 125 rupees and 40 paise. Now we have to find out the savings, how much money he is earning. Okay. Okay, here we have earnings of a man. So I'm going to write here earnings of a man. That is rupees 145.50. Then spending of a man is 125 rupees and 40 paise. And now we are going to find out the total savings. So here we are having total savings of a man. So we are going to subtract these two parts. So we are having 0.100, this is 2 and this is rupees. So he have only 20 rupees and 10 paise. Clear? Okay, students, thank you so much for listening us carefully. I hope your all doubts and concepts are clear. So, see you in next video. Till then, all the best.